Welcome to Notability for Newbies Part 5. Every week there will be a new 2-minute-ish long video that will teach you 3 notability tips or hacks. Lesson number 1 this week, converting handwriting to text with the LASSO tool. This awesome feature converts your messy handwriting into text. Step 1. Create your note using your Apple Pencil or stylus in your own handwriting. Step 2. Select the LASSO tool on the top of the screen. Then circle the area of the note that you want to convert to text. A blue dotted line will then appear around your selection. Now a black menu bar is going to appear above your selection. You are then going to select the Convert option. Step 4. A completely new screen is going to appear for you, asking for you to confirm your text. Here you can make any edits or necessary changes. Hit the Convert on the selection bar when you're happy with your text. And that's it. With the press of that little button, your handwriting is now converted into text. Lesson number 2. Converting your handwriting to text using the text box. Option number 1. Step 1. Select the big T icon on the top of your screen. Step 2. A little window will drop down. Now select the Draw option. Now swipe up diagonally with your Apple Pencil or stylus to create your text box. Step 4. Now whatever you choose to write in your text box will magically turn into text. Lesson number 3. Converting handwriting to text with the text box. Option number 2. Step 1. Select that big T again that is located on the top of your screen. Step 2. When the drop-down window appears for you, select the Scribble option. And now when you start writing with your Apple Pencil or stylus again, your script will magically turn into text inside the text box. Having your text inside the text box means that you can make doodles or drawing all around it, or move everything inside the box with ease using your Apple Pencil, stylus, or even your finger. And before I sign off, here's a wee bit of a bonus for you. This tip actually applies to all iPads and not necessarily just to Notability. And it is how to get rid of the keyboard on your screen. If you do not want to see your keyboard hanging out on the bottom third of your screen, all you need to do is look for the little keyboard icon, right hand corner of the screen, and hit select. And just like that, your keyboard has vanished. And if you want your keyboard back, no problem. Just give a quick tap with your finger anywhere on the bottom third of your screen. Stay tuned next week for a brand new tutorial, and please support a small content creator by pressing the like and subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Bye!